Welcome back to another video. The Striker siblings are in another film. So right now we're in the car on the way on the trip. We're on a trip right now, and currently on the way to Minnesota. And we're gonna have a good time. I told you guys we're going to film a video, so we're filming a video and stuff. And yeah. So this is what we're doing right now. On the road right now. We stopped off somewhere and then I decided to film. So here we go. Here we begin.
6, you hear 7 and 8. Kind of mind blowing because they said
I'm about to restart the vlog. So
Mary Pupper was a long time ago. I'm surprised I listened to that horny. That's Macaulay's Morning Fiasco. 89.7 The River is done with our spring training, and it's time for summer. Brand new merch available now at 89.7therriver.com. I found some pen packs, some earplugs, some mason jar shot glasses. Ooh, tank top. You know I'm rocking that river tank. Flex so hard the sleeves fell off. You weren't supposed to actually tear it. Grab yours while they last at 89.7therriver.com. Plus, all new River signature packs. Get the most bang for your buck with an amplified afternoons pack featuring a pint glass, earbuds, a River tote bag, and an autographed Corey face band. Ah, my wrist! You better appreciate these face bands.
alright, so currently,
River t-shirts, koozies, and
yes, I'm in a
face shields,
suit.
all available now. Hey, so can I
But,
wear one of these face shields instead of a
going to a
mask
wedding.
when I go out shopping? I don't know.
Well,
I'm
we'll
not
be
a doctor.
posting this
I'm just
footage
a
on
DJ.
Facebook
Grab yours now
and
at
YouTube.
89.7therriver.com. Social
And,
distancing
yeah.
will keep us from celebrating summer and looking good doing it. Stay safe with no contact shipping.
So
from
people
the
that watch this video on Facebook, make sure to go subscribe to the Striker siblings or Striker brother.
Just one block north of Maple on 61st
One of the
and
two,
Vinny.
put
Wheeltech is
one of them down and
confident
it still pop up the same account.
expertly repair, refinish,
Up
color,
at the same
and
account.
customize wheels. Plus,
And
power coat wheels with the capability to power coat
the first road trip on film. So make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to this video. First road trip. Next year, we'll be doing it again. Might be doing it again, so.
Wheeltech and Benson supports programming on the river. Programming on the river is brought to you by Orzy's Italian Bakery and Pizzeria at 7th Pacific Street in Omaha. Little Italy, with takeout orders available Tuesday through Saturday, 8:30 until 7, and Sundays 8:30 until 6. With a wide variety of selections, including fresh baked bread, handcrafted pizza, homemade Italian sausage, garlic bread, and deli items. With more online at OrzyBakery.com. Orzy's Italian Bakery
Alright,
and
so
Pizzeria with takeout
make sure
orders
you guys
available
subscribe,
Tuesday
like,
through
and
Sunday
share
at
the
7th
video.
Pacific. Orzy's
Comment down
Italian
below
Bakery
what you guys
supports the
think.
river.
It's our first road trip on video, on film. I'm going to shut it off and I'm going to make another video. And that way, I have a more of a balance of showing you guys cool stuff and go around this area. So right now, it's a short film of what's going on. And then, yeah. I'm going to shut the vlog off and I'll see you guys in the same video. I'll edit this video, hopefully it'll work. Peace out.
Worried about the coronavirus? We'll lend you a hand at 89.7
A vlog where we have the aircraft and all the planes and stuff.
I'll follow you. You were Air Force, right?
This going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go look at that one. And that's what they shoot out of, right? Scott.
I think so, yeah.
Thanks.
I gotta, oh man.
We're in Minnesota. All these cars weren't moving at first.
God,
We're gonna film
damn it,
this.
For real? Fuck no, ain't nobody gonna fucking let me over. Oh shit. Ain't no doing that for real. God damn it, no shit. Yeah, this is. Oh, these people are fucking dicks man. Oh, for real? For real?
Got that on video. Got that on video.
Inch your way through.
Fucking for real?
There we are, guys. Minnesota. Keep guys tuned.
For you to change that.
Watch the video, subscribe, like, and share.